My name is Saman Rai. I'm working as the Director General for Population Welfare Department. I'm also working as the CEO of Punjab Population Innovation Fund. And currently, I'm attending M&D workshop by SERP and CLEAR for past 3 days. And today is the last day of the workshop. And I found this workshop quite helpful in my working as the DG and the CEO because it is all about evaluation. But normally we interpret evaluation as a daunting task. But I believe that after attending this workshop, I found it a lot friendlier, innovative, interesting, and not as complex. During my training as a PAS officer, I've been participating in lots of training programs and workshops. But I found this workshop quite unique because the faculty, I think, is like really chosen one. They have a lot of experience and from the relevant fields of life, especially the social sector. And then they practically conducted evaluation of lots of social sector programs. So I found it extremely relevant to what I do on daily basis. I think M&D workshop is recommended, rather strongly recommended to everyone working in the public sector or private sector, because mostly we are executing, designing, contemplating new ideas, initiatives, programs, and projects. So I believe that all the critical techniques that at least I learned through this workshop, they can be tremendously helpful. And then one key takeaway would be that M&D is not the end of the process. I think it is a reiterative process, and the critical perspective regarding M&D that should be imbibed into the psychology of all the government servants, private sector practitioners, policymakers. At Population Welfare Department, as everyone knows, we run family planning programs all across Punjab, which are directly helpful to the economy of the country and slowing down population growth rate. That is a very complex kind of work that we do. So mostly our work would be showing impact in maybe 2 decades or 3 decades time, and generation to generation. So after attending this workshop, I realized that we shouldn't really wait for 10 years or 20 years. We can be conducting evaluations on nearly quarterly or maybe annual basis to know if fertility is declining or otherwise contraceptive prevalence rate is going up. And we can't actually wait for evaluations to take place, because we can do it anytime if we are at hand with the techniques. I think it's really important to innovate our work, and since evaluation regime, it offers multiple solutions, multiple models. So I think we can blend certain models and deal with the complex working environments, as well as also evaluating the results of the programs and the projects we are currently doing in the family planning sector and women empowerment and the rest. Lastly, I would say that these workshops are so helpful in terms of capacity building and training, not just for a short time, rather for a long time to come. So the teams are amazing, the workshop environment and the ambience conducive. So everyone must get an opportunity to attend such workshops whenever offered. And I would like to congratulate all the organizers. It's a big achievement that they have put up such a successful workshop together. Thank you.